All right, here we come to the original passenger elevators at George Bush Intercontinental Airport, located in Terminal B. This is likely going to be a final ride because, according to a Kone technician I talked to, these elevators are likely going to be fully replaced by Schindler. So I figured I might do one last final ride on these elevators. These are not totally original, but when I say original, I've seen these elevators ever since I was a child. So these are safely another one of my childhood elevators. So let's ride. Here we go. There is music playing. There is music playing in the lower level where the subway is, so I'm gonna have to close the door quick. And I also do not want to be, I can't be talking too loud because I don't want to be seen as a public nuisance drawing attention.
Going up, sube.
The escalators are Otis, so I'm likely going to assume these were originally installed by Otis before they were modernized with MCE.
Level 2, ticketing check-in. Piso número 2, venta de boletos. Going down.
What floor would you like?
Baggage one.
That's level 1.
Yeah.
Are y'all going to 1?
Yep, one.
Okay, well I'm going to this.
But then again, it may surprise me.
Well, I texted him, so let's see.
Level 1, baggage claim. Piso número 1, reclamo de equipaje. Going down.
I already figured that out. Approximately.
All right, let's get a cavity now. One of the light bulbs already buzzing. I assume these are bottom drive.
Lower level, interterminal train. Transportación a otros terminales. Train at the terminales. Going up, sube.
I don't know if that motor is original or replaced or something like that. Apparently they locked off the upper 2 floors.
Ticketing check-in. Piso número 2, venta de boletos. Going up.
Looks like it overleveled the floor. We're gonna get the other elevator car. And you gotta be kidding me, the other elevator car does not work. Doesn't look like the other elevator car is working. Alright, this time I'm gonna sample the voice.
Lower level, interterminal train. Transportación a otros terminales. Tren entre terminales. Going up, sube. Level 2, ticketing check-in. Piso número 2, venta de boletos. Going down. Baja.
Alright, let's go. Yeah, I'm just into elevators.
Okay.
Yep. And I also tend to sample the voice.
Oh, really?
Level 1, baggage claim. Piso número 1, reclamo de equipaje. Going down. Baja.
Have a great day. Alright, let's go the other elevator cars now. Alright, we're gonna walk to the other elevator car. These are the escalators right here. I'll include that in another video. Or actually, I might include that in one video after we're done with the elevators. Here's a final ride on these elevators here on this side. And man, it's cold here. I'm not gonna end the video at the lower level because of the music playing. The voice does not work on this one. It's just like the other elevator car, and the light is buzzing on this one as well. All right, let's close the door quick. Let's close the door. Oh.
Terminal train. Transportazione Otis terminale. Train at the terminale. Going up.
I thought the voice didn't work on this one. Well, okay. This thing's a little bit busy, but it matters less because I already recorded these before. Diesel DC!
Ready?
What for? You're going up to 2?
No, I'm going to 3.
Oh, okay.
Did not let you go up?
No. Oh! Oh, okay. Well, I'm just not getting off. I'm just staying in the elevator cab doing it just so because I'm into elevators. That's all I am.
Oh, okay.
I'm sorry about that, y'all.
You're okay.
Level 2.
Oh.
Ticketing check-in.
Hold on, let me.
Piso número 2. Venta de boletos. Going up.
Oh,
Sube.
oh my diesel DC! Ugh. Sorry, I'm just trying to help it. Oh, there we go. Oh, what do you think? I just fixed it.
Somebody should hire you as an elevator tech already.
It's got door disease. I'm curious to ask, so are these elevators going to be replaced? Because I heard something about that a few months ago.
Oh, I believe so.
Do you know-
We're adding some.
Yeah, I know. Are they going to be?
Level 3. Parking. Piso número 3. Estación Metro.
Call me when you're ready.
Going up. Sube.
Do you know when they're going to be replacing these elevators?
No, I don't.
Oh, okay. Yeah, in case you were wondering, I just like recording elevators for my enjoyment. Are you going back to 1?
Yes.
Okay. I can see why they locked off the employee garage because this whole part is undergoing construction.
Mm-hmm.
I wish I could become an elevator technician.
They work a lot, though.
The floor passing chime is stuck on. Oh. What floor would you like?
Let's get the other elevator.
And the phone just went off too.
Level 2. Ticketing check-in. Piso número 2. Venta de boletos.
That was weird. What just happened to the elevator doors? Like something. The elevator door just got literally got stuck. Huh. That is quite something. That elevator door that's just seriously messed up, and I literally had to help it. Man, that was something. I don't know if the other elevator car even works on this one either. Unfortunately, the other elevator car doesn't seem to work. I'm gonna get another detail cab view of this. These are gonna be replaced, so you're not gonna see these elevators here for much longer. As you can tell, I rode these elevators as a child, and I grew up riding this ever since I came to this airport for many travels.
Going up. Sube.
These elevators are also kind of busy too. And would you look at the COP? One of the braille plates are missing. You can literally see it. Look at this. You can see into the contact. These are definitely made by Adams. All right, let's go back down to 1.
Ticketing check-in. Piso número 2. Venta de boletos. Going up. Sube.
Indicator is also slow too. Look at that. All right, I think what we can do is, okay. Okay, I thought I almost got stuck for a sec. Well, okay. All right, well, anyways, I think I'm going to go ahead and include a ride on the escalators. Like I said, I'm not going to go to the lower level because the music playing loudly, and I do not want to get copyrighted. All right, let's go back down now. Those are the elevators we just rode. Not only are they getting replaced, but I've also heard that they're adding 1 or 2 more elevator cars in the process. I know that this airport is public property, but I'm not going to film in the security TSA area. So, that being said, there's also people coming by, so I cannot obstruct their way. So, anyways, there's your view of the escalator, Otis escalator nameplate. I don't know if these escalators are going to be replaced. Likely they will, but I don't know for sure though. I have a good feeling these are also going to be replaced as well. So that's why I got a take of it just in case. So anyways, hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. And that was a final take on both the elevators and including the escalators of Terminal B at Bush Airport. That'll be it. Thanks for watching.